Well, in terms of which contribution I may have made, would I feel has been most valuable, or at least valuable in my own view, there have been two diseases which I've worked with for well over 30 years, more like 40 in fact, which have kind of interacted. One of them is myotonic dystrophy, one of the muscular dystrophies. The other has been Huntington's disease, a serious brain degeneration. And I started off by doing my thesis on myotonic dystrophy. That work began in 1969 and it's never really stopped. And in terms of Huntington's disease, my work began almost immediately after I came back to Britain in 1971, and again it's gone on pretty continuously since then. What I had no idea about when I started was that these two disorders, which at a clinical level don't seem very similar, one a brain disease, the other a muscle disease, proved to be due to the same genetic mechanism. And I feel extraordinarily fortunate to have been able to follow the story and the development of these two diseases right through from the clinical description and the study in families through to the mapping of the genes involved, and then to the discovery, which I and my colleagues were very much involved with in both, of the basic molecular defect. And even more remarkably, this turned out to be the same type of molecular defect in both, a trinucleotide repeat of unstable DNA, and that the two had the same mechanism. So the two have interacted, and then from there I was able to apply the new discoveries in terms of the gene to helping families in terms of prediction, those who did and didn't have the gene, and now that work has gone on with others to the stage where trials of therapy are in progress. So I feel very fortunate to have seen this progress from beginning to end.